Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afiqah Jasmine. So I would like to explain about the tutorial in subject custom. So firstly, the question is explain three main division of Royal Malaysian Custom. So in Royal Malaysian Custom have three division. Firstly is enforcement and compliance division. In enforcement and compliance division, there are two department. Firstly is enforcement. In enforcement have smuggling activity will result to lose revenue and threat to national security. And then they are make sure the all regulation and all rules will determine with custom department. And then plan and conduct term operation against smuggling activity is including like a roadblock or operation. They are also have built collaboration and networking with other enforcement bodies from local and foreign country. That means is they are will doing collaboration and working with another country for enforcement. And then secondly is a compliance management. Compliance management have to ensure all custom means the to collecting the taxes and duties from all parties. Number two is to provide assistance to all commission authorities on custom, regulatory matter and procedures. And then they have responsive on providing activity and guidance to companies regarding custom. And then lastly, conducting systematic audit and conduct all the systematic audit and companies for control the activity in custom. Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afiqah Jasmine. So I would like to explain about the tutorial in subject custom. So firstly, the question is explain three main division of Royal Malaysian Custom. So in Royal Malaysian Custom have three division. Firstly is enforcement and compliance division. In enforcement and compliance division, there are two department. Firstly is enforcement. In enforcement have smuggling activity will result to lose revenue and threat to national security. And then they are make sure the all regulation and all rules will determine with custom department. And then plan and conduct term operation against smuggling activity is including like a roadblock or operation. They are also have built collaboration and networking with other enforcement bodies from local and foreign country. That means is they are will doing collaboration and working with another country for enforcement. And then secondly is a compliance management. Compliance management have to ensure all custom means the to collecting the taxes and duties from all parties. Number two is to provide assistance to all commission authorities on custom, regulatory matter and procedures. And then they have responsive on providing activity and guidance to companies regarding custom. And then lastly, conducting systematic audit and conduct all the systematic audit and companies for control the activity in custom. Okay, I continue with custom operation and GST division. In custom and operation GST division, they have two. First is custom operation and good service tax. So firstly is custom operation. In custom operation can establish procedure related to industry. Means in the custom will control the procedure that relate the industry, import, export, border control, and then they will stipulate the policies and department, and then custom operation will implement policies relate to industry, import, export, and border control. Also, they are study and review policy and procedure concerns for enhancement and simplification. And then they are also want to provide cooperation and facilitation to other government agencies. Also, lastly is to provide guidelines to custom official front line to ensure efficient implementation of custom policy and procedure. So, we move to another goods and service tax. In goods and service tax, they have GST. In GST they have registration, collection, and fixing, and then structuring and drafting internal tax policies and country. Also responsible for any queries and issue raised by industry and service provider. So I explain about why international trade is important in the country. First is they want to make sure all raw material in another country will evidence, means we can provide raw material in Malaysia to another country, like export, means raw material from Malaysia have improvement to move at another country, means some country they are not complete in some country they are not perfect raw material in the country. So if the country don't have perfect and complete raw material, they have to buy another raw material from another country. So from that, if we have offer with the raw materials from another country to other country, we can evidence the raw material, because we can promote the raw material to another country. So number 2 is, I think, because can comparative advantage, like in country that I say before this, we can one country that no have perfectly raw material, it can be, we can means in Malaysia they don't have enough of words to doing the chair, table. So from that, would like to buy the raw materials from another country. So in addition, I think because when we offer the raw materials for another country, the supplier on another country will like with raw material in Malaysia. So from there, they will buy the raw material. We supply the raw material. So from that, we can make sure the raw material in Malaysia can be provided on another country. I think so. So we'll continue with three. They have basic function of custom. So there are three basic function of custom. Firstly is collective revenue for country. Means is government will collect the duty from country. Means in collective revenue of country, there are 5. Firstly, import duty, export duty, excise duty, sale and service tax, and vehicle levy. Means in all the I said it, important, export, excise, sale and service tax, and vehicle, they all have duty. So from that, government will collect the duty from the all revenue. So with this, they will collect all the revenue from import, export, for collect the duty on behalf of government. And then they will helping government to helping government in formulation policy and related, and then they will preventing loss the country by implementing the best method to across the fraud activity in Malaysia, like fraud, smuggling. And then they will find the way to tackle the issue. So number 2 is trade facilitation for industry growth. Means is they are focused on free clearance, or like AAW. They have also have not revenue. They also have facilitation for industrial growth. I mean like a license manufacturing warehouse. Also they have participate actively in the activity of international trade. Also have encouraging the growth for industry and trade by providing. Also have insurance process for import and export activities. Another that is also in trade facilitation for industry have like a license manufacturer warehouse, LMW, direct release system, pre-clearance, express handling unit, and tertiary exception others. And then we'll move to lastly, the function, basic function is custom compliance and enforcement. Okay. In the custom compliance enforcement have ensuring all custom tax and duties are collected according to oracles. And then providing assistance to all commercial bodies on custom. Also, they are also conduct systematic audit in companies, and they are also auditing the GST in place, the GST also by the company. So in conclusion, they are also doing the audit because they want the all company will listen the regulation and law in Malaysia. So from that we can make sure the company will follow the law and regulation. Thank you.